Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, LRHM, that is Long Range Hypersonic Missile, achieved Mach 6 speed in trial. In a significant milestone for India's defense capabilities, DRDO recently tested a long-range hypersonic missile which achieved an impressive speed of Mach 6 or 6 times the speed of sound. This successful test showcased the missile's advanced technology and brings India closer to enhancing its strategic deterrence and coastal defense system. Next, Army seeks high altitude all terrain vehicles, that is ATVs, for enhanced mobility. In a strategic move to bolster mobility in high altitude operations, the Indian Army is seeking advanced all terrain vehicles that can be airlifted by helicopters to remote locations. These specialized vehicles are intended for use in extreme terrains, particularly in high altitude regions such as the Himalayas, where conventional vehicles struggle to perform effectively. Designed to operate at altitudes up to 17,000 feet, the ATVs are expected to enhance cross-country mobility, support infantry surveillance mission, and serve as mobile platforms for logistics and weapon deployment. Next, barter deal for Tejas Mk1A in exchange for C390M transport selection. Brazil is exploring a potential barter deal for the procurement of the Tejas Mk1A light combat aircraft if the Indian Air Force selects Brazil's Embraer C390M military transport for its medium transport aircraft tender for 60 units. The deal would allow Brazil to secure the Tejas Mk1A as a key addition to its fighter fleet while providing India with a significant opportunity to strengthen its strategic ties with Brazil. Next, high-capacity forging facility for critical aerospace components. HAL is gearing up to enhance its manufacturing capabilities with the establishment of a new high-capacity forging facility. This state-of-the-art facility will be equipped with advanced machinery including hydraulic presses and thermal forging presses to produce critical and heavy forging essential for aerospace applications. Next, air conditioning plants for Scorpene submarine. In a key milestone for India's defense manufacturing sector, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilder Limited has successfully indigenized air conditioner plants, that is ACP, for Scorpene class submarines, which were previously imported from France. This effort has been made possible through MDL's collaboration with Shri Refrigerators Karad, marking a significant step towards enhancing self-reliance in critical defense components. On Scorpene class submarine, effective air condition is essential for maintaining a controlled environment, ensuring that the crew operates in optimal conditions even in confined and high-stress underwater settings. Next, robo-dogs for industrial security. Xterra Robotics, a promising Indian robotics and AI startup, emerged from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur Silicon Valley Innovation Center in 2023. The company is dedicated to developing advanced autonomous legged robots that can revolutionize various industries. Xterra Robotics is committed to leveraging deep tech innovation and AI, artificial intelligence, to create robots capable of adapting to dynamic environments and learning from their experiences. Next, spectacular 27 helicopter elephant walk near LAC. during exercise Purvi Prahar. The Indian Army showcased its aerial might with the remarkable 27 helicopter elephant walk in Arunachal Pradesh near the line of actual control as part of the Armed Forces Exercise Purvi Prahar 2024. The exercise underscored the Army's readiness and capability to deploy its aviation assets in high-altitude areas critical to India's strategic interests. Thank you.